Hi, my name's Barbara. Welcome to Barbara Bakes. This week I've got something really special for you because it's close to my heart. I'm bringing you a rhubarb souffle, a hot rhubarb souffle, and the rhubarb comes from my mum's organic garden. So we'll be using that today, and this dish is absolutely delicious. I'm sure you're going to love it. Now, not only is this dish close to my heart because it comes from my mum, but it's also gluten-free, which of course I am. So I'm really excited to bring this to you. So join me, grab your iPads, your notebooks, wherever you keep your recipes, and let's bake. 120 grams of rhubarb puree. Boil your rhubarb until it looks like this. Pop it in a blender and then it's done. 30 grams of caster sugar, 2 eggs of which we're going to use the whites, 35 grams of caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of pure lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Butter your moulds all the way around, dust with caster sugar and pop them in the fridge. In goes the rhubarb puree. The sugar is already in there and so is the lemon juice. So we're going to heat it up, and once it's hot we're going to add the corn flour, stir it till it becomes thick, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So pour your pureed rhubarb into a bowl. There we go, and we're going to pop some cling film on top of this and make sure the cling film touches the sauce so that it has direct contact and it doesn't get dry. Nicely aerated. Now we're going to add the first of the sugar. Soft peaks, add the last of the sugar. Firm peaks, and we're ready to move to the next step. So I'm going to add a little bit of my egg whites to the puree just to loosen it up a little bit, and I'm mixing fairly vigorously, and once that's nicely incorporated we'll add the rest. Right, now we're going to fold this in as gently as possible, but making sure that everything is incorporated. Trying my hardest not to knock the air out of those egg whites. There we go, ready for our dishes. And you can add a spoonful at a time, trying to keep it all in the dish, which I've just about managed to do. So we're leveling off at the top. Then, just to give them a better chance of rising, run your finger round the top side of the mould, and then they can go straight in the oven. Look at those, how fantastic are those? Who wouldn't love to try that? My mother is going to be so proud. Now, as you can see, those are my mother's hands. She's always loved cooking. So from her table to yours, I hope you enjoy her rhubarb souffle. Wasn't that fantastic? I really hope you liked it, and I hope you'll try the recipe. If you loved what you saw today, don't forget to subscribe, put your notifications on, and leave a comment in the box below and let us know what you like, what you'd like us to make. So, we'll see you next time. Check out one of our other videos and find some more delicious recipes from me, Barbara. See you soon.